Hey guys, Corey here with Chaos Customs down here at C&M. It's a car we're helping C&M out do exhaust. Audi A5 3.2. So all we did was delete the rear two mufflers, and we put 2.5-inch pipe in place and put a couple chrome tips on there. It's a 3.2. Just deleted the rear mufflers, has everything else. Go ahead. It's actually got like a really nice tone, and it's not obnoxious, so just nice quality tone and not too loud. So it's something that, you know, pretty easy to do too. It still has the front resonator and the pancake muffler in the center. All right.